Cost savings means pollution control solution is also necessary for the reduction of cost of production. The working speed in a polluted environment gets reduced and the production process starts giving out more toxic substances. As a result, the production cost increases. So if we will try to control the pollution, the cost of production will be reduced. Then improved public image. Nowadays, the people are more conscious about the quality of environment. People are very conscious these days. A better image of the business which participates in the pollution control gets set up in the society. If you will try to control the pollution, you will definitely have a good image in the eyes of the society. Other social benefits. There are some other social benefits also. Pollution control is necessary from the point of view of other causes. As clear visibility, cleaner building, better quality of life, availability of natural products in a purer form, etc. Other social benefits you will get if you will try to control the pollution. So for these reasons we need the pollution control. Last topic, which is role of business in environment protection. What role business can play in the protection of environment? Number one, developing work culture for environmental protection. Each business unit's top level managers should work for environmental protection and pollution with commitments. Developing work culture. For environmental protection. If the senior most person of the organization will take steps towards the environmental protection, then everybody will follow him. So the top level management should take necessary steps for the protection of environment. Sharing commitment to environmental protection. Sharing commitment environmental protection. Each business should share its environment commitment to environmental protection with all the departments and all workers. Commitment should be made with everyone that we will try to minimize the pollution. Self commitment should be there. Then using better quality material and techniques. Using better quality materials and techniques. Each business unit should lay down clear-cut policies for the use of better quality materials and techniques for the disposal of waste. Also, scientific system should be used. We just have to avoid the pollution by using better quality material and the better techniques. complying with the government law. Government laws. The rules, laws made by the government for the environmental protection should be complied with by the business unit. So business unit should follow all the rules and regulations led by the government. Then participation in environmental protection related to government programs. We should participate. We should participate in environmental protection related programs started by the government. And then we should assessing pollution control programs. Assessing the pollution control program. The business unit should evaluate the programs related to pollution control on the basis of cost benefit analysis. This will help in encouraging the positive result yielding programs. We have to consider everything about the pollution. If we are starting any program, we have to access all the things, means we have to consider about the cost and benefits of it. Everything we have to consider it very in advance. Then last is बच्चे arranging pollution control workshop. Arranging pollution control workshop. In order to get the benefit of the knowledge and experiences of suppliers, dealers, and customers with regard to pollution control workshop should be arranged. We should arrange proper workshops to spread the information about that we are trying to control the pollution and everybody should try to control it. So this was your topic, business environment protection.